September has been a little bit slow for us because we got out of the woods, stopped doing the work, anything out there, in preparation for hunting season. I did get out a little bit because it cooled down a little bit. Had a lot of doe action. Seen a lot there. Didn't take any shots on them. But we also set up a new area closer to home for a different county because we get free doe tags there. So we set up another area there. We'll show a little bit about that. But otherwise, for the most part, we've really been just starting to plan for next year already. It's never too early to start that. So this is what we got for September. If you're like me and you're always worried about what you're going to do next, even though we got everything we done that we can this year, because we're into hunting season right now. It's about mid-September, mid-late September, and we're always keeping in mind what we want to do next year, because plans, it's really good to have good plans. Well, up in the northwest corner of our land is a field. It's about 20 acres here, and we own about 2 of them here. Actually ends up pretty decent. Well, the guy over here, he asked if he could use this because we weren't using it. Well, if you can see, it's just weeds growing up. He uses this for hay, and it's not benefiting us at all. I had a camera on here for about a month, and I got a picture of 1 deer. There's nothing in here for them that they want. There's no cover. So next year what we're going to do is, all we got to do is till it up and plant it, lime it and fertilize, but there's no work here to do because it's been a field for a long time. There's no stumps. Guess I'm not sure if there's any rocks, but that's what we're going to do for next year. That's a future plan. We're going to be taking this, we're going to plant screen all the way around it, because right here, just a few feet away, is the road that goes on our land. But over here, it's a good idea to know what your neighbors are doing. Through Google Earth, whatever, drones, whatever, take a look. They got a nice food plot out there, a big food plot, and it looks to be about 1.5 acres, maybe 2 acres. Well, with this and the previous acre food plots we have on our land, we're going to have more food on our land than they do, because the whole idea about making your land and what you want to do is not to worry so much. You know, the neighbors, if they're doing what they're doing, let's say that I've heard this before, this has been quoted by other people, but they say if they have a 3-star hotel and you make yours a 5-star hotel, that's where they're going to be. So that's our plan. So the future plan is, this is going to be a summer food plot that we're going to plant something in here that'll keep them here all summer. And then our inside pots that we're going to plant to keep them here, we are going to overseed this later on in the year to keep them in here, whatever. I'll probably talk to Joe Bartell and see what he thinks about all this. It's a good thing to keep an actual professional on your side to let you know what he thinks is best. I'm not professional. I'm a weekend warrior at this, but it's good to find your own habitat specialist to find out what you should do.